G'day cocktail lovers. This cocktail is called A Last Caress. It's created by Jason Mercier of Milwaukee. He was named by the Punch Drink website as one of the best new bartenders of 2024. So I guess he knows what he's doing with the creating of cocktails. This is 3 equal parts in this. And Last Caress, the name is designed, it's the last drink of the evening. It's after dinner, sent you on your way. I'm kind of worried about ordering a Last Caress. I mean, if you're in the bar with your mate, you've been there all night, and you just lean over and go, fancy a Last Caress. Well, not saying no, but maybe buy me another drink first, and hence the Last Caress. For the 3 equal parts, we start with apple brandy. There is, of course, a very wide spectrum of apple brandies. It's made all around the world. In the US, they like to have Applejack. In France, in particular, they can be quite specific about how they do their apple brandies. This is actually a French apple brandy, and unusually for apple brandy, it's been barrel aged for 5 years. And I am almost out of this, so I'm hoping this is a good drink to celebrate ending this bottle. In terms of modifiers, we've got Averna Amaro, and I'm using yellow Chartreuse. I believe the original recipe used Genepi, but not everyone has that. Well, not everyone has yellow Chartreuse, the old worldwide shortage. I found a place that had both yellow and green Chartreuse at decent prices about a year ago, and got 2 bottles of each, so that'll last me for a while. But on top of this, we have 3 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. Yeah, equal parts of all these. I'm looking forward to tasting this. Like I said, the last of my barrel-aged apple brandy, so I hope it's worthwhile. It's a really great colour, and oh, this is definitely a great after-dinner drink. Surprisingly sweet. I thought with the Amaro and the herbal elements of the Chartreuse, it might be a little bitter, but it's got quite a pleasant taste. I'll show you how to make it. In a mixing glass, we put 1 ounce or 30 mils of apple brandy, then 1 ounce or 30 mils of yellow Chartreuse, then 1 ounce or 30 mils of Amaro Averna, and rounding things out with 3 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. Add ice to the glass, stir that for 20 to 25 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and I'm straining that into a rocks glass over a big chunk of sexy clear ice, and for garnish I'm just doing a twist of orange peel. All of which comes together to give us the Last Caress. That's a very nice after dinner drink, as I've said before. I think this will not be my last Caress, because I quite like this. I think you might as well. It's well worth giving a go. And I hope whatever you're doing, whether you're making a Last Caress, enjoying a Last Caress, having an ongoing caress. Look, I don't judge how many caresses you're having, okay? Just the appropriate consensual amount of caresses is what I'm saying. So when you're done caressing, hope you come back and see me again for some more cocktail videos. Until I see you again, I'll say cheers.